Moving on to the second square bend exercise. We actually, in the first exercise, we saw this where we worked to the outside, and then we had an outside measurement. We went to the inside to obtain our inside measurements. We had a distance back. That's irrelevant. We don't need to worry about that. That distance there, that could vary, that could change how long the item is. It doesn't really matter. So let's look at another one. Let's take it up a step. Let's produce another sketch. This time with a shape that looks similar. And let's say this time we're working with a thickness of 4mm plate. This leg will be, and of course everything's out of proportion, it's not, so just go with the numbers, don't worry about it, it's not to scale. So I'm just going to make some measurements up here, and we'll call that 196, this one 188. Right, we need to produce our production sketch again, which we're going to do over here. We've got two bend lines in this one. Again, we're standing at the top and we've got a bird's eye view. We're looking down. So what we see is our dimensions are required for each bend and an overall distance. And again, this length, irrelevant, doesn't really matter. Alright, we don't know how long it is. That distance there, we don't know how long it is, and that's not what we're looking for. So we work when we established last time that we work to the inside. We're given outside measurements, but we work to the inside. So we can see here, this is 4mm thick now. So from there to there is 4mm. We take 4mm off the 96, becomes 92. Work to the other end down this side now, which is over here, 110mm. Take away 4mm, that'll become 96 now. So we'll make that 92. This one, 110. Sorry, that'll make that a 106, won't it? Sorry, 106, 106. And then the 188. Now we've got this one. We've got 4mm here, 4mm here. So that's a total of 8mm we have to take off. Alright, so 180, that will be 180. Alright, so 92 on one side, 106 on this side, and then 180 in the middle. And if we added that up, we have our 180 plus our 106 plus our 92 equals 378, so 378. And don't forget, so there's the size of the plate we need. Don't forget that we have to put in here to identify the fact it's a bend up at 90 degrees and bend up at 90 degrees. So always produce, when you produce your production sketch, make sure you put in your bend up or bend down or whatever it is, because you may get other angles that then run in a direction like this. We have to identify a bend up or a bend down. Okay, that was number 2 for bend calcs.